Swimming has become an essential part of my weekly routine. As a woman in my 30s, I make it a point to swim 2 days each week. I find that being in the water not only helps me stay active, but also provides a sense of relaxation and mental clarity. The rhythmic movements and the soothing environment of the pool make each session enjoyable. Over time, swimming has become more than just exercise. It's a time I look forward to for both physical and mental well-being. When preparing my swimming bag, I make sure to include a few essential items. First, I pack my swimsuit, which is designed to be comfortable and allow for easy movement in the water. I also bring a towel to dry off after swimming, helping me stay warm and comfortable. Goggles are important because they protect my eyes from chlorine and improve visibility underwater. Lastly, I include flip-flops to wear around the pool area, keeping my feet clean and preventing slips on wet surfaces. Each of these items plays a key role in making my swimming experience safe and enjoyable. Before swimming, I choose foods and drinks that are light yet energizing. A small bowl of oatmeal or a banana provides quick, digestible carbohydrates to fuel my workout. I also make sure to stay hydrated by drinking water or a sports drink. Avoiding heavy or greasy meals helps me feel comfortable and focused in the pool. These simple choices ensure I have the energy and stamina needed for an effective swim session. To get to the swimming pool, I usually take a short walk from my house, enjoying the fresh air along the way. Before leaving, I make sure to pack everything I need, including my swimsuit, towel, and goggles. One important item I never forget is my entry card, which allows me access to the facility. Once I arrive, I show my card at the front desk and head to the changing rooms to get ready for my swim. Upon arriving at the pool, I take out my entry card and swipe it at the main entrance. The doors unlock, allowing me to step inside the building. The familiar scent of chlorine greets me as I make my way down the hallway. Following the signs, I quickly locate the locker room where I can change and store my belongings before heading to the pool area. Inside the locker room, I change into my swimsuit, making sure everything is secure and comfortable. I place my belongings in a locker, carefully locking it to keep them safe while I swim. With my towel and goggles in hand, I take a moment to prepare mentally for the pool. The atmosphere is filled with anticipation as I get ready to step out onto the pool deck. When I swim in the pool, I use different strokes to move through the water. Freestyle is fast and smooth, with long arm reaches and flutter kicks. Breaststroke is slower, with both arms moving in a circle and legs doing a frog kick. Backstroke means I float on my back, using straight arms and a gentle flutter kick. Each stroke feels different and helps me enjoy swimming in new ways. After finishing my swim, I head to the showers to rinse off the chlorine. The warm water helps me relax and refresh. Once I'm done, I carefully dry my hair to prevent it from staying damp. Finally, I change back into my clothes, feeling clean and comfortable after my time in the pool. After a swim, it's important to refuel with foods and drinks that support recovery and boost energy. I usually reach for a combination of protein and carbohydrates, such as a turkey sandwich or a bowl of yogurt with fruit. Hydration is also key, so I make sure to drink plenty of water or a sports drink to replace lost fluids. Sometimes, I'll add a banana or a handful of nuts for extra nutrients. These choices help my body recover and leave me feeling refreshed after my swim. After finishing my swimming routine, I make my way home, feeling a mix of satisfaction and calm. The gentle fatigue in my muscles is a reminder of the effort I put in, while my mind feels refreshed and clear. As I settle back into my usual surroundings, there's a quiet sense of accomplishment that lingers. The routine not only strengthens my body, but also helps me unwind and reset for the rest of the day. Swimming holds a special place in my life because it offers both physical and mental benefits. The rhythmic movements in the water help me build strength and endurance, while also providing a sense of relaxation. Regular swimming keeps my body healthy, improving my cardiovascular fitness and flexibility. Beyond the physical advantages, Being in the water lifts my mood and helps me manage stress. Altogether, swimming is an essential part of my routine that keeps me both healthy and happy. So, this is my routine when I go to the swimming pool. Listen to the vocabulary carefully, and you will feel more confident with these new words. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.